Vanakkam from Janu. Welcome to SB Cosmo Good Food. Here we can see vegetarian and vegan recipes. In this video, we are going to see how to make neem flower chutney. This chutney is very easy to make. Let's see the ingredients needed for this recipe. Dried neem flower 1.5 tablespoon, jaggery 2 teaspoon, tamarind extract 50 ml, mustard seeds half teaspoon, dry red chilli 1, oil 1 teaspoon and salt 1/4 teaspoon. Let's see how to make it. Extract the tamarind juice using the warm water. Dry roast and crush the neem flowers to a coarse powder. Boil the tamarind juice for a couple of minutes. Stir in between. Then it will start to bubble. Now add jaggery, salt, neem flower powder. Stir them well. Cook till it becomes thick. For seasoning, heat the pan with oil. Add mustard seeds. Wait for it to pop. Then add split red chilli. Give a toss and add it to the chutney. Now the chutney is ready. You can serve this with steamed rice, with idli and dosa. Some benefits of neem flower. Neem flower is considered as an antiseptic that can cleanse your system. The vitamins and fatty acids in neem improve and maintain the elasticity of the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel SB Cosmo and press the bell button so that you won't miss our videos. See you in my next video. Bye from Janu.